1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Either way, I'm so excited you guys are here. Today I have a really fun, motivating video. I did a lot of cleaning, some deep cleaning that I haven't gotten to in a while, some areas that have been kind of neglected. I did a grocery haul at the end of this video, a pretty big one from Walmart that I did. So make sure to stay tuned if you want to see that. And I also organized some spaces that have not been organized in a while. But I'm first going to start out by cleaning up from Easton. He had eaten his first baby bowl of rice cereal. He is almost 5 months and he actually really liked it. It was really funny, but he actually did really well and he really liked it. Normally, I feel like babies just pretty much spit all of it out. Let me know how your babies did with their first foods, but my other kids pretty much spit all of it out, but not him. He got a lot of it down actually and really, really liked it.
Just for my own, it's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place?
I had a lot of, like I said, miscellaneous things that I needed to do that I haven't got to in a while. I needed to restock my closet. This is kind of where I keep everything for during the day, like diapers, wipes, cleaning supplies, and all that. So I kind of needed to go downstairs, get some things, and just restock everything.
Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place?
This cubby area, you're gonna see me make some faces about it because it was disgusting. I tried to show you guys more up close view of it, but I don't even think the camera halfway did it justice of how nasty it was. We've been going outside so much and there were so many shoes in there and they were just dirty and it was just gross. So this was like way, way, way overdue.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my.
If you guys are new here, I just wanted to take a minute and introduce myself. My name is Emily. I am a mom of 4. I'm just always going crazy trying to clean my house. That's why when I started this channel, I wanted to name my channel Crazy Cleaning Mama, because that's what it feels like I am a lot of the time. I'm just going crazy trying to get things done as much as I can. I just try to bring you guys along with me attempting to clean and keep up with my home and just try to motivate you guys along the way. So if you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe, and I'm going to be doing a lot of decorating and a lot of spaces in our home. We're going to be making a bedroom. If you guys haven't seen my videos of me talking about that, but there's going to be a lot of fun, exciting videos coming up.
It's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my.
The next space I'm going to be doing is my under sink in my kitchen, and I have not organized this in so long, as you will see. I really needed to wipe it out again. I feel like the camera does not do some of this justice as far as like how gross these spaces were, but I really needed to just get some things out. There were some things in there that were empty or almost empty, and I just really was trying to decide how I wanted to organize this. And I had this little plastic like cake stand. Kyle was kind of making fun of it, but I thought it looked so cute to set the little soaps on. So that's what I went with. And then I moved some stuff to my closet because there was just way too much stuff underneath there.
You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like, oh my God. My, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like, oh my God.
The kids are always touching up these window areas with their dirty fingers from eating. They have like sticky stuff and it's just gross. So there's always just food. And I just really needed to get in there.
I'm a clear sky, oh yeah. Like a honeybee taking off that really shouldn't fly, oh yeah. Like a snowflake falling down on a summer day. It's just amazing. It's a million to one. It really couldn't be.
And then this door track was so gross. I go in there with a Q-tip, and then as you can see, I was getting all of that nastiness sucked up, and it really needed to be done.
Ain't gonna be one more like you know. Ain't gonna be. I could search high and low, but I know that there ain't gonna be one more like you know. You're my kind of one of a kind, like a black swan swimming about in a sea of white. Oh yeah. Like a bouncer Saturday night acting really nice. That can't be right. Like the most beautiful girl in the world hitting up your phone. It's so wrong.
Cleaning baseboards is something that I feel like a lot of people despise. I just hate like getting down on my hands and knees and doing it. I know there's probably other ways, but I feel like this is just like the best way to really get them, is to get on your hands and knees and really get them, but it is no fun. But that is why I'm making this video for you guys. We can do the chores that are not so fun together, and hopefully we can just both get it done and it won't be so bad.
I could search high and low, but I know that there ain't gonna be one more like you know. You're my kind of one of a kind. It ain't gonna be.
Now I'm just cleaning the hall bathroom because if I'm being honest, it's been a hot minute since I cleaned in here, and this is the bathroom the kids tend to go in during the day. So it does get pretty gross and it needed to be done.
Ain't gonna be one more like you know. Ain't gonna be. I could search high and low, but I know that there ain't gonna be one more like you know. One of a kind. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more.
I I wanted to let you guys know that my parents had a new cleaning video go up yesterday, and theirs was actually a lot longer than this one of mine. So if you guys need even more motivation, I will leave that linked below, but it was a long one. They had some cooking and some cleaning and a lot of good motivation in that video. Let me know what is on your to-do list. I love hearing from you guys in the comments what you are doing while you're watching my videos. And if you guys are just hanging out with me today, that is great too.
Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign.
I don't even realize the faces that I make while I'm cleaning, and then when I watch these clips back, I see them and I'm kind of embarrassed, but that's who I am.
I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign.
I have a lot of groceries back here. I just did a Walmart pickup. The kids are actually having ice cream cones. That's one of the things I got in the Walmart pickup. So they're having those, and I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I got in this grocery haul. So it is a pretty good sized haul. I got a pretty good amount of stuff. We were out of a lot of stuff, and then I also got some new things for the kids to try. Some new things because we did just get a grill. I got some things for like grilling and stuff like that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start over here. I saw someone else share this in a Walmart grocery haul and it looked so good. It's a pepperoni and mozzarella flatbread and it just looked really good. I got the kids some of these fruit, like dried fruit variety pack for them to try. And I also got these for them to try. They're vanilla yogurt raisins. These are what they drink in their water. These are so good. Kyle is obsessed because he loves everything peanut butter, Reese's type of flavor, and so do I, so we love these. Got some cheese tortellini. Ellery and Emmett love this so much. Makes for a really easy lunch. I got these for the kids. These little diced carrots. These are just really easy to put with their lunches. Some Doritos. These are like all the snacks I got. Muffins, vanilla wafers the kids love. I love this as well as Ellery. It's purple Boom Chicka Pop. It's sweet and salty. And then this is a prime example. Kyle's gonna laugh if he sees this, but of how I do not pay attention to sizes. I've told you guys this before, but I never pay attention to sizes, and I ended up with this huge thing of pickles, but these tiny barbecue sauces. And then I got some of these pretzel crisps. We all like these. And then Ellery actually saw this Cheeto popcorn and she wanted to try it. I got all of us ice cream. I got the kids that circus cookie ice cream, which they're eating right now on these cones. And then I got Kyle moose tracks, and then I got these for me. I've had these before, they're really good. Love having those like at night for a treat while we're watching a show. Some bananas, some little barbecue sauces, because like I said, I don't pay attention to sizes, and a giant mustard. We got a ton of mustard though. I do not like mustard, only Kyle does. And then I got some of these seasonings, a steak, Chicago steak, and Montreal seasoning, some mac and cheese. These are kind of like sides to go with grilling stuff, tater tots, wedges. They actually substituted these for Great Value brand, which is fine. I think I just had different kinds selected. Some brioche buns, Uncrustables. Kyle brings those in his lunch. Kyle requested some more mozzarella sticks because he likes to eat these at night if he works late. These are what him and the boys eat these sometimes, but Kyle eats these. I think they're disgusting. The idea of pancake and sausage on a stick, that just looks so gross to me. So I got like these, and then pizza rolls for Kyle to eat late at night if we've all had dinner already. He just wants something quick. And then I got some breakfast things for the kids, some waffles, cereal, pancakes, some fish sticks for lunches. I got them some bagels. I think the boys will really like these. The boys are like obsessed with carbs. It's so funny. They just will eat bread. And then I got this strawberry cream cheese to go with it for them. For me, for breakfast, I'm gonna try to make some egg sandwiches. I got eggs, and then I have Velveeta slices, and then I got these multigrain 100-calorie little egg muffin things. I'm gonna try to make like an egg McMuffin. It just sounded really good for this week. I usually just have my coffee with protein, and then I'll have like a either really late breakfast or early lunch. So I think I'm gonna do that for that. And then I got some birthday candles because it's about to be Ellery and Emmett's birthday on the 29th. Some foil, some noodles, little lunch cups. That's what I drink in my coffee every single day, the Caramel Premier Protein. I have some, so I just got a few extra. I got these. Chips Ahoy, some eggs, which thankfully they didn't break. They literally did this last time and all of them were smushed. They put them in the very, very bottom of our trunk. Thankfully this time somehow they survived. Got some of this ham. The boys like to have little ham roll-ups or ham sandwiches for lunch. Ellery would never eat ham or any meat, hardly, except for she'll eat like fish sticks or sometimes chicken, but rarely. Never lunch meat. They like to have cinnamon rolls for breakfast sometimes. So I got just 2 big packs because literally 1 pack feeds them 1 time. It's so funny if we get like the little packs, there's just not enough. These protein bars are really good. They're Power Crunch. They're the peanut butter fudge. I love these, so I got them. I haven't had those in a long time. I'm gonna put them in the fridge and eat them for like a breakfast or a snack. I got some beef. I'm gonna place a huge order. That's why I only got like 1 tiny thing of meat. Since we got a grill, I'm gonna place a huge order at our local meat market for meat, like steaks and chicken and beef and all that good stuff, hamburger patties, all that good stuff. I got some yogurt for the kids, some coffee, which Kyle asked for a creamer and they were actually out of it. I'm hoping he has enough until next time I get a Walmart order. I think he will because we have some in the fridge. Some milk, Diet Coke, because obviously essential. Kyle's actually started drinking Diet Coke too, so we get this massive thing. Some Diet Dr. Pepper. And then with Kyle being outside all day working, he really likes to have a clear white soda that he brings with him to have that's cold in his bag. So I got those. Some apple juice pouches for the kids. And then Kyle also likes to bring this with him for like extra electrolytes with his water. He brings this Kiwi Strawberry Propel. I also stopped by Sonic by Walmart and got a Diet Coke with extra ice. So that was nice, but I think that's everything we got. Like I said, I didn't get a lot of meat because I'm gonna do that meat order here in a few days. I'm probably we're waiting on some more things for Kyle's grill, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place that meat order.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits.
There is something to me about just stocking our fridge and just getting everything ready for the week. I was doing this on a Monday and it just feels so good to me to do it at the beginning of the week and just start the week off with a fresh fridge, and the kids go through the stuff so fast, and by the end of the week everything is all gone like you saw in the before picture. But it just feels so good to at least start out with it all good and organized and ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today, and I hope this video brought you a ton of motivation. And like I said, I have a lot of fun, exciting things coming up in my videos, so I hope you guys will subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and come back for the next one. I have a video going up on Saturday, so I will see you guys on Saturday. Bye guys.
To think you wouldn't be so